In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background color in Microsoft Word. This is a simple but effective way to enhance the appearance of your documents, whether you're drafting a report, creating a brochure, or just wanting to add a personal touch to your work. Let's start by opening your Microsoft Word document. Once you have your document open, shift your focus towards the top of the screen where you see various tabs. These tabs hold all the options you need to customize your document. You're going to want to look for the Layout tab. This tab is a treasure trove of features that allow you to tweak the arrangement and design of your pages. After you've clicked on the Layout tab, take a look at the options it opens up for you. Among these options, you'll notice something labeled as Page Color. It's in the background section of the Layout toolbar, and it's the magic button that allows you to change the backdrop of your document from plain white to any color of your choosing. Go ahead and click on Page Color. When you do this, a small menu will appear showcasing a palette of colors. This is where the fun begins. You have a broad selection of colors at your disposal, from muted pastels to vibrant primary colors. You can choose one of these straightforward options if you're looking for a quick and easy change. However, if you want to get a bit more creative, or perhaps you need to match a specific color for branding purposes, Word provides an option that lets you customize the exact hue. At the bottom of the color menu, there's a choice that says More Colors. Click on it and you will be presented with even more options, including a gradient where you can fine-tune to get the perfect shade you're envisioning. Once you've selected the color you want, simply click on it. Instantly, you'll see your document decked out in your chosen hue. This background color will now span across all the pages in your document, giving it a cohesive and polished look. Remember, while changing the background color can make your document more visually appealing, it's important to ensure that the text remains readable. Opt for colors that create a good contrast with your text color. For instance, if your text is black or dark gray, lighter backgrounds work best, and vice versa. That's it! You've successfully added a background color to your Word document. This small tweak can make a big difference in how your content is perceived, whether you're aiming to make your document more engaging or simply want it to stand out. Keep practicing with different colors and combinations to find what works best for your needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks in Word.